Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Rafaqat Ali from Success International School. Today I am going to explain how to log in to our new Classlight software, which we will be using in our school. Please listen the instructions carefully, and I will try to explain to you everything step by step. So if you will follow these steps, inshallah, you will be able to log in easily. And let's start with the steps. First of all, the step one. Step one, you should type this website classlight.com, or you can search it from the Google and you will find out there classlight.com. And that classlight.com, you will when you open, you could find out this interface or the website introductory page, and you can see here the login name and password. Login name and password. First step, what you need to do, write your 10-digit ID here. 10-digit ID. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits ID. And after that, S capital, I in lowercase, and then same 10-digit ID. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 10th digit. Then after, press login. If you are not able to log in this, so no need to be worried. We will go to step 2. Now, see, if the first method you are not successful, so we are trying another method. What's the other method? The other method is you must write the same thing in password and in login name. What it is? S capital I, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10th digit. And the same way, S capital I, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th digit. Then press login. You will, inshallah, be able to go into the software, and there will be new world in front of you as a new software, as a good improvement from the school side. But the important things here, I must mention, the important things are, you can say, important notes. Do not add spaces, and S must be capital and I would be in the lowercase. And carefully enter your ID number. And after that, if you still feel any issue, so you can contact to the administration. They will provide you your correct information and then you can join. There will be, inshallah, no worries. Best of luck. See you into the new virtual world. Goodbye.